Hello everybody, welcome back to the Recoverit channel by Wondershare, powerful software for all your recovery needs. And today we are going to talk about GoPro video recovery. Being adventure sports lovers ourselves, we understand how precious these videos are for you, so losing them all of a sudden can hurt a lot. Fortunately though, you can get them back with some effort if they haven't been overwritten by more data. This may sound like magic, but recovery software can make it happen. Before moving further though and showing how the magic of recovery happens, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on new videos. Have you ever wondered what happens when you end up deleting a GoPro video accidentally? Now, it doesn't matter what others tell you, the deleted file isn't deleted instantly from the storage. The file actually remains present in the folder, but it can't be located. To understand this better, suppose there is a video named XYZ in a folder. Now, a table will store the file name. When you delete the video, the first character of the file name in the table gets changed in order to unallocate that space on the card. Unfortunately, the file then becomes invisible because of the unknown first character, but it is still recoverable using GoPro video recovery software. When new data is added to the card, it will be saved into an unallocated space, which could then end up overwriting the deleted file, and thus it gets harder to recover GoPro videos. The GoPro app is the simplest way for solving the issue of deleted GoPro videos. It's available on Android and iOS as GoPro Quick. You can use this to recover deleted videos if they're still present in the app. Make sure you're subscribed to the GoPro Plus service and go to GoPro Plus and check the mobile upload option. If it's enabled, you can then restore deleted videos. Simply log into your account and restore the deleted videos from the backup file. Recoverit by Wondershare is a brilliant and robust app for recovering pretty much any file type, including GoPro videos conveniently. It offers support for over 1,000 file formats and 2,000 types of storage devices with a 95% recovery success rate. The software can recover files in more than 500 scenarios, such as accidental deletion, virus attack, formatting, and many more. And it can even help recovering GoPro videos from water damage, so it can do more than you expect. Before initiating the GoPro video recovery, you have to download and install Wondershare Recoverit on your computer. Launch the tool and connect either the GoPro directly or its SD card to your computer. Now select that location in the software and hit Start to begin. Now you don't need to do anything for scanning the files, it will all be done automatically, so just wait some time. Once the scan completes, you can view the list of recoverable files. Select the file that you wish to retrieve and then click the Recover button to restore them. Look out for power failure to avoid future GoPro loss. It can occur due to fluctuations in voltage that leads to a sudden PC shutdown. If you're transferring videos whilst this happens, there is a high chance of losing that video. You can prevent this by using a power failure protector like UPS. Cloud storage options can also help you keep your videos stored without losing them. In addition, every video that's stored on a cloud has no chance of getting infected with a virus, but you will end up paying money for it. Still, they are the best way in terms of keeping your files safe and secure. Other than a cloud storage, you can keep your video files on an SD card and transfer them onto your computer or another storage device as a backup. Additionally, make sure that you use the SD card only in one device. By using them in multiple devices, you increase your chance of infecting them with a virus. Although you don't want to lose your GoPro videos, you know it can still happen. But instead of panicking, you can use this video guide as a reference to get back those deleted GoPro videos. And if you don't have a clue on how to do that, there's no need to worry. We've shared all the expert techniques for GoPro video retrieval. And if you found our guide helpful, then let us know. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. For more info and queries, you can leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you soon.